This is the remains of a deer right here. Been also just letting nature do its thing so I can come back and collect some of these bones and utilize parts of this deer. The coyote pretty much got a lot of the head, and I was really after one of these nasal bones right here for a hook. I'm gonna utilize these jaw bones, create a nice hook right here. We're just boiling the bones. We'll let this go for 10-20 minutes. Start point, over, under. There it went. Perfect. Boom. Probably be a good salmon fishing hook right here. So there you go. All right.